Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hey everyone, in today's video I wanted to dive into the charts to show you all how I banked over £3,000 Forex trading this week. The trades I'm going to be showing you all took place on the 5-minute chart on GBP USD and GBP JPY. I trade both of these markets on a daily basis during the London session, so let me talk you through what went on this week. Okay, so let's dive into the charts then. And this was the week starting the 8th of April, so last week. Monday was actually a no trade day for us, and if you are part of the course, you would understand as to why that was a no trade day. But let's jump into Tuesday. We had our signal provided here, so all we have to do is mark out our stop loss and our take profit and see how the trade played out for Tuesday. If you haven't seen our other video, I uploaded it a couple weeks back now, a video on how I banked over 7R trading GBP USD. I'd highly recommend watching that video because I go into a bit more detail on how I place each trade. So if you haven't already seen that, I'd highly recommend watching that so you can get a better understanding of kind of how things went for that week and kind of how we place each trade in a little bit more detail. So as you can see, the trade landed at around 11:30, so the late morning. So it was a great start on the Tuesday, and we managed to bank 1.5R, so starting the week off very strong. Now here we get to Wednesday, and our second signal of the week for GBP JPY is provided. So again, we mark out our trade, we mark out our stop loss and our take profit, and you can kind of just see now how this trade played out on Wednesday. But I just want to kind of reiterate how this was a really good week here at WB Trading. I personally managed to bank over 9.5R myself this week, giving me a profit of over £3,500, which is really good. And as you can see on Wednesday, 1.5R was hit, and then news was released, and yeah, the market sold off horribly, but we were able to get out of that trade just in time. And kind of again just highlighting the importance of having a take profit in place so you do get taken out of this trade before you get left being stopped out. So going on to Thursday now, I just fast forward this so it gets there slightly quicker. So 3R so far on this week, and we'll just patiently wait until we get a signal provided for Thursday, which I believe came just after 8 o'clock. So I'm just gonna rewind this a little bit. It's not going to let me, never mind. So I'm just gonna mark out the trade so you can see. So this was actually our entry point here, and stop loss would have just been just under the recent low. And then again, we're aiming for a nice 1.5R target, which hit very fast on the Thursday. I do remember. I'm just going to play this so you can see how quickly it hit. So yeah, again, highlighting the importance of having this take profit in place, because soon as the trade would have been taken out, you know, we've come straight down into stops, and we really must keep a nice take profit in place throughout the whole trade. So going on to Friday, last day of the week, 4.5R up this week, really good. Regardless of what happens on Friday, you know, profit has been secured for the week on this particular market. But here we go. We get another entry here on the Friday with stops above the recent high, should I say, sorry. And again, looking for that static target and kind of seeing how the trade played out on Friday. Again, just patiently waiting on the Friday, and lo and behold, we have our fourth winning trade of the week, giving us 6R recorded for this week on the strategy for GBP JPY, which is amazing. Really happy. Quite a lot of our Discord members managed to get in these trades this week. Recently, we just have set up our new Discord, where a lot of our team and, you know, our members are all kind of communicating and sharing trades with one another. And Yeah, overall, really good week this week. As you can see, managed to hit 4 out of 4 trades. So I'm just gonna go over to GBP USD as I trade both of these markets. So let's just dive straight in and kind of see what happened this week. So I'm just gonna rewind this so we can see kind of what happened on the Tuesday. If I'm not mistaken, Monday was a no trade on GBP USD as well. So Monday was a quiet day for us, but the rest of the week certainly did make up for it. So here we are on the Tuesday, and we have our entry, which is provided here. And we're just gonna go long again with our stop loss in place and our take profit in place, and see how this played out on the Tuesday. And there we go. Oh, not quite, but yeah, by 1:30 lunchtime. So if you're from the UK, at around lunchtime, we did manage to hit our TP. So 1.5R secured on GBP USD for the Tuesday. And just going forward to Wednesday now. And when we get our entry, I will just pause it so I can quickly mark out another trade for you, just so you can kind of see what's going on. So there we go. We have our. So yeah, by just before 12 o'clock UK time, we did actually manage to get out of this trade. TP had been hit, and then a new spike had happened. It's similarly to what happened on GBP JPY. And we were fortunate enough to get taken out of the trade at full take profit before getting stopped out. So to be honest, it was an amazing start to the week. Was 6R up by Wednesday between the two markets. Going on to Wednesday feeling really strong, really happy. And we're again just waiting for our signal to set up. And like I keep reiterating, if you haven't seen that other video and you're kind of struggling to understand what's going on and how I'm placing each trade here, I would highly recommend watching that so you can see what went on. So here we go on the Thursday. We have our stop loss in place and our take profit, and from what I can remember, as you can see, we did get stopped out of this trade, unfortunately, but you know, you can't win them all. This is trading at the end of the day. But considering Tuesday and Wednesday were both really strong, and we were fortunate enough on Thursday to get the winning trade on GBP JPY before it did reverse and sell off. So, you know, we've had 5 winners and 1 loser for Thursday, which, you know, we really cannot complain about. Going into Friday, our last day of the week, to see kind of how things finished off. I'm just going to replay that because I did miss the signal, but we would just have a look. If we rewind this, we'll have a look what happens. So here we are Friday morning. I don't believe the signal printed yet. Here we had our first signal. So I'm just going to mark out the trade here for sells with the stops above the recent high and our 1.5R target, and see how this trade played out. And by 10 a.m. we had hit our final trade of the week. So for GBP USD for this week, we achieved 1.5R Tuesday, 1.5R on Wednesday, -1 on Thursday, giving us a total of 2R, and then plus 1.5R on Friday, giving us a weekly total of 4.5R. But yeah, so for the week, I think we managed to make a total of 3.5R on GBP USD. And a total of 6R on GBP JPY, giving us a weekly total of 9.5R, which, you know, is really good week over here at WB Trading. A few of our members in the new Discord group that we just opened all managed to have a successful week trading these two markets as well. So overall, really good week. I just wanted to share this with you guys so you can kind of see how things went this week. Like I said, I did post a video a couple weeks back showing you how I managed to bank 7R. So we actually managed to outdo ourselves this week, and I just wanted to kind of highlight that to you, that it wasn't just a one-off 1 week. We do manage to get these kind of results on a regular basis. So I hope this video was beneficial to you all, and you kind of had a good understanding of how I managed to find success in the markets this week. But if you watched this video and you liked what you saw and you wanted to get involved with how we trade here at WB Trading, I'll leave a link in the description so you can get involved and get yourself booked in for a webinar, so you can be part of the team here. And like I said, we do have a new Discord which we have recently just opened, so we're trying to build our community. We really want a good strong team of traders here. So if that is something that interests you, then I will leave a link in the description so you can check that out. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And other than that, I look forward to reconnecting with you all again soon. Thanks everyone.